Hey, Montana entrepreneurs and dreamers, let's chat for a minute. If you're currently running a business or thinking about starting one in this beautiful state, there's something you might want to know. It's about registered agents. Before we go over what an agent is and why you need one, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. So, have you ever heard about a registered agent? Well, it's pretty important. In fact, in Montana, if you want to form a corporation or an LLC, having a registered agent is not just recommended, it's required by law. Now, what's a registered agent? Think of it as your business's point of contact. It's a designated person or entity that receives official documents on behalf of your business. This could be anything from legal papers to tax notices. Essentially, they are there to ensure you don't miss out on any important information. You wouldn't want to skip a beat in the fast-paced business world, right? Now, here are a few things that might surprise you. Did you know that every year thousands of businesses in Montana face fines, penalties, and sometimes even dissolution just because they failed to maintain or designate a registered agent? And get this, about 80% of new businesses find themselves in confusing legal scenarios just because they overlooked this critical requirement. Makes you think, doesn't it? That's where we come into play. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We are all about ensuring you're in the clear. Serving as your registered agent, think of us as that trustworthy bridge between you and any crucial communication your business receives. Our goal is to make sure you focus on what you do best, running your business, while we handle the formalities. You might be wondering why choose us? Well, it's simple. We are not just another service. Our organization is the #1 registered agent service in the nation. And when you work with the best, you can expect nothing short of excellence. So Montana friends, whether you're already a business maverick or just starting your journey, let us stand by you. Because we are more than a service, we are here for you as your partner in success. To set up a world-class registered agent service for your business quicker, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to access our agent services over the phone by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion on registered agents? Does it make sense to you why having an agent is a government requirement for so many businesses? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.